Are you living paycheck to paycheck? Hey guys, in this video, we're going to talk about the most common problem people are having. That is living paycheck to paycheck. If your all monthly income is going out of your bank account in the same amount like it comes, that means you are living paycheck to paycheck. So, in other words, you can't think about a future because of this problem alone. You haven't saved any money yet, and maybe you have a single monthly income that is your salary. What you have to do first in this kind of situation? Simply said, track your money. See where most of the money goes every single month. After you realize where your money goes, I bet most of them goes on the bad debt, like credit cards and monthly payments for some electronics and other stuff in your house that you didn't afford to buy them in full amount and you decide to buy them anyway in monthly payments. Most people's money goes that way. So, what is the second thing to do is trying to pay off every single bad debt that you have. Your mortgage is not a bad debt most of the time, so you don't have to feel guilty that you not afford to pay off your mortgage credit. Don't hurry. I know it's going to take time to pay off every bad debt that you have right now, but if you start your journey by taking care for all your bad debt, sooner or later you're going to make it. Just stop making more bad debts after you pay them off, and you will be just fine. The next thing you have to do is start living on less than you earn. This way, after you can afford to have some cash remaining after your normal expenses like food, mortgage, rent, or utilities. So, when spending less than you earn, you can easily start saving money and stop spending money that you don't have. By being able to save money now, you can afford to buy your stuff in full amount, not needing to have another bad debt in your life. Also, with the money saved, you can start trying to invest some of them so you can start having more than just one monthly income. You will see that after some time, you will have more money coming in your bank account month after month. Setting a goal will make you have a purpose and not going in circle every single month without any destination. Having no goals means having no purpose in life. You will be like a boat in the ocean with no captain on it, floating around, arriving nowhere. Next time when you want to make a bad debt, remember this video. Maybe it will change your mind. That's all for today, guys. Please don't forget to like and comment your thoughts. Share it with your friends and family. Subscribe and hit the notification bell icon for more videos like this about savings, personal growth, investments, and more topics that will change your lifestyle, wealth, and, of course, in the end, your net worth and achieving financial freedom.